Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome to another market forecast, and let's have a look at your USD of what happened yesterday. All right. So yesterday I was expecting, let me just hide this. I was expecting a down movement, all right, to actually take out um, this low right here on the 4 hour time frame, but it didn't actually happen, all right. So it makes me start thinking that the price is really going bullish, right? Especially because today's London session we had a nice movement up towards this daily time frame buy sell liquidity, and today's market forecast has everything related to it, right? So let's go to the news calendar. Today we are okay about news, but we have to keep an eye on tomorrow's news. And because of that, we also have to be careful in today's trading. Tomorrow we're gonna have a PPI, and this FOMC actually it's not. It doesn't really matter, but we have PPI, and being the day previous to that news event, we have to be aware of it. Okay, so let's go to the actual market forecast for today. So on the XY, we can see that we had a down movement, we had a bearish movement, actually going towards this sell side liquidity right here. It was inside of a onward block and a fair value gap, but after the NFP movement, apparently the market bias changed a bit. So today, I strongly believe that we will reach this sell side liquidity during the day. All right. I just don't know how it would happen. Okay, so basically, what I believe is it's most likely to happen is that it's going to go to that sell side liquidity, maybe do a pullback before, and that's where I would enter to actually going towards this daily time frame, bullish order block and fair value gap on daily time frame. And after that, I don't know what's going to happen, but either way, it only matters that I am expecting this type of movement. Or we may see price reaching this upside liquidity and actually moving sideways, which I I believe it is also likely to happen. And what I think is that less likely to happen is that we'll see a bullish movement today to the upside, actually taking out this buy side liquidity right here. Okay. Uh, I don't know what's going to happen after we reach this vertical gap or the block, but I strongly believe that this upside liquidity will be reached during this session, especially because on London session we had a nice movement down, and after that, uh, the the New York session tends to continue the trend created on the London session. So keep that in mind. Let's go out to the 4 hour now, the 1 hour time frame. We actually have a fair value gap right here, and I'm expecting a pullback inside of this fair value gap before going down to the sell side liquidity level, and then actually reaching this sell side liquidity zone that I'm actually aiming for on DXY. So let's go down to the Euro USD forecast. As you guys can see, of course, the forecast is mainly the same. We will be probably reaching, let me just hide this one out. Wait. Oh, God. All right. This. Okay. I think we will be going to the upside today, at least that buy side liquidity on the daily time frame. It is of course likely that the price will reach that zone and actually go sideways, because it will mean that the week would start off bullish, and it means that a change on the weekly bias, which would be bearish. If you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that all the previous weeks were bearish, and the last one was bullish. All right, so we may start seeing a change in the weekly trend, which may mean that we will reach this buy side liquidity on the 1 hour, 4 hour, whatever time frame, basically that high time frame liquidity that we may be reaching to. All right. Uh, as I told you before on DXY, we had a very bullish movement, actually bearish movement on the DXY, which means a bullish movement on Euro USD. We also have a fair value gap right here on Euro USD and an order block. So it means that this area is a nice area for the price to actually pull back and continue moving up as we are expecting, right? The midnight open was right here. The price did a nice movement, all right, on the London session. There was a fair value gap right here, and basically the price retraced to that fair value gap after doing a market structure shift and actually started going up, which was a very strong movement, which for me really shows that the price wants to go up and actually take out that buy side liquidity, right? Um, this is the time span I'm going to trade today. Actually, this is the time span I trade every day. 7 a.m. local time and to 10 a.m. Europe local time. Let's see if there's something missing. So any trade that forms during this day, I will expect it to form inside of this zone, inside of this fair gap, either a liquidity sweep or either way, I'm expecting to see displacement on lower time frames right here. Let me see what's happening on the 15-minute time frame. All right, we can see a very nice down movement inside of that umbrella gap right there. Let's check the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, displacement after displacement after displacement. But once we've got a displacement to the upside, I will open my eye to actually looking for trades. All right, and most of them, of course, I believe all of them, I will look towards the 5-minute time frame, especially, and those trades will have to be on this 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour. No, 1 hour. 1 hour for value gap, right? This is my trading plan for today. Anything outside of that, I'm not gonna trade. All right. So this is the market forecast for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you like the channel's content, consider subscribing to it. Have fun, stay trade, and bye.